Hey guys, so today a small tip about cutting a toilet flange out of your tile. And I know that you've probably watched a lot of other videos and I want to give you something unique. That tip is going to be always have a flange spacer on hand, and I'm going to show you why. By the way, you can get these at Home Depot for about $6 and they're really useful to use as a template for when you're planning your cuts. For instance, I'm going to show you one situation right now. So I've got this tile and I held it over my flange and I marked the edges of where the flange is going to meet these tiles. Now, I could just go willy-nilly drawing an arc, but it's never going to be perfect. It's going to end up being messed up, okay? However, since this is the exact same size as a toilet flange, it is going to have the exact same arc, okay? So if I position this above and just move it in, as soon as both are touching, I can take my pencil, I can draw my mark, and my arc will be perfect. I'm gonna add an offset of probably a 1/2 inch to mine just because it's under a toilet anyway. But if you wanna cut perfect slots for your tiles, this is how you do it. Keep a toilet flange spacer on hand. Have a good one, guys.